worked together to build a raft. The fox cut the branches and tied them together, while the rabbit and turtle helped to carry the logs to the river. Finally, the raft was ready. The rabbit hopped onto the raft and started to cross the river. When as he reached the middle of the river, he saw a school of fish swimming below him. Oh no, I'm scared of water. Help me please. Don't worry, I'll help you. Just help us from myself and we will find the river. So the turtle swam to the rabbit and the rabbit held onto his shell. Together, they crossed the river safely. The fox jumped onto the raft and started to cross the river. But as he reached the middle of the river, he saw a crocodile swimming towards him. Oh no, a crocodile! Help me please! Don't worry, I'll help you. Just all of you and then we will cross the river together. So the lion swam to the fox and the fox held onto his mane. Together they crossed the river safely. And so the four animals worked together and helped each other across the river. They continued their journey knowing that they could always count on each other in times of need.